What's going on YouTube? Daniel here with another unboxing. As you can see, Ronin-S Focus Motor for Ronin-S gimbal. So let's open it up. And this unit as of now goes for $169 US. And once you open it, you will get a manual where you can see what you'll get. Focus motor, rod mount, 2 rods, one shorter, one longer. You get some screws, a focus gear strip, you get 2 of those. You get power cable, and then you have some configurations. As you can see, to increase stability of the unit, you basically want to use 2 rod mounts. So you would have to purchase another rod mount separately. So, and I would probably suggest to get that if you mounting the gimbal on the car or anything that moves and is exposed basically to more stresses. So not necessarily when it's handheld, in my opinion, but that might be yeah, okay. So not a whole lot going on. Let's open it up, and over here you see the unit and the accessories. Let's open the box with some accessories. And over here you get you get 2 strips for the gear. As you can see, you'll get a power cable and 4 screws. These are all the same, so you can use them however you like. Alright, so let's see the accessories. Over here you have the shorter rod, you have the longer rod. They're both 15 millimeters in diameter. You get a rod mount right here, which will be attached to the riser on the gimbal underneath the camera, and you'll get the unit itself. As you can see, it has a little weight to it, so it will definitely add a little bit of the weight to your gimbal. Little leathering right there. You have 7 millimeters. Then you have a 40 teeth over here, so that's 40 teeth. So the button with the modes, tightening screw, which will, after loosen it up, it will allow you to slide the clamp as well. And on the bottom is the connecting port for the power cable, so you can power it from your gimbal right there. Alright, so let's pause this video, let me attach it to the gimbal and continue this review. Alright, so the focus motor is attached, and show you a little bit. So basically the rail mount is connected to the riser underneath the camera with the 2 screws right there, and then you basically add the cable to the bottom of the focus motor right there, and over here the connectors underneath the camera on a gimbal itself. Next, you want to attach one of those guide strips right here. They're very easy to attach, so that's fairly easy. And then what you want to do is balance everything attached. So let me connect the cable to the monitor, that way we can see more, because I'm trying to work everything with one arm, so bear with me. Alright, so we have that connected. Okay, now important thing to remember is every time you turn it on, you will have to calibrate the unit. Okay, meaning if you have the lens which have the focus ring endpoints, basically where there is a mechanical endpoint where you have physical stop, then it's very easy, because you just double click the button right here, and it will find, the motor will find the endpoints by itself. Now if you have a lens like I do, which don't have this manual physical stop, you will have to stop the motor manually with your arm. So you don't want this wheel go on the top of this. You basically want to stop it before, and then as far as it goes. So as I said, bear with me as I'm doing everything with one arm. So let's turn on the gimbal. Okay, the gimbal, let's see, I'll turn on over there. Okay, so we have that. Let's recenter everything. Right, let me turn on the camera. So the camera is on. Let's turn on the monitor, that way we can see the focusing a little bit better. Okay, so we have that, we have focus beacon on, and for the reference I put 2 little things over here. Hopefully we have nice. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so we have one in the front, one in the back. Now let's, as you can see, it's flashing. Now F means focus, I means iris, Z means zoom. So whichever you're using this motor for, that's what you're gonna set up. So let me set it up for the focus. As you can see, it flashes, so it needs calibrating. So to calibrate it, you will need to double click this button. 1, 2, and it's moving now. So you want to make sure that you stop it wherever you want to stop it, and then it goes other way, and again you have to stop it where you want it to stop. Alright, now it's calibrated. You can see steady F light, and now we have the focus wheel over here. So now let's try to focus on one of the items. So we're focusing on the, I might have to move these items a little bit further. Okay, so we have focusing on the front item, which is the wooden puzzle box, and now we're focusing on the back. There isn't much of a difference on those. Let me try to do the focus peaking more. Well, this is more, okay, maybe this one will work. So let's see, now we're focused on this duster. Let's focus on, okay, now we're focused on a wooden box. Let's say we want to send endpoints for focusing between those two stationary items. So we will find the focus on the further one and push the button. It will flash like so. Then you will find the other item, focus it on it, again push the button, and now you have those 2 points set. So if I'll move the wheel, it's only limited between those 2 points. So I'm focused on the front and focused on the back, focused on the front, focused on the back, which is very, very handy. You don't have to hunt between two stationary objects. To reset it, you simply push this button over here again, and now we're back to full range. So there it is. There's your setting and setup for DJI's Focus Motor. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you write them down below. I'll do my best to answer all your questions. And until next time, thanks for watching.